Hey, this is Marco and I'm going to show you how to fix volume mixer not working in Windows 11. So what you need to do is follow this. So you want to go to Audio Troubleshooter. Before attempting to manually resolve the volume mixer issue in Windows 11, it's important to consider the possibility of an automatic solution. So what you want to do is open the settings app on your Windows device, or you can just use the shortcut Windows plus I keyboard shortcut. Click on System, then in the right hand menu select Troubleshoot and click on Other Troubleshooter. Then you want to scroll down and you want to run button next to playing audio. So this one you want to click on run. The troubleshooter will begin scanning your system for any issues with the audio related features such as volume mixer, and then just follow any on-screen instructions to resolve any issues. Once the troubleshooter is finished, restart your device to ensure that any changes made take. Second thing is to update your audio drivers. So you want to press on Windows plus R, then you want to type this in this run window. Go to the high definition audio controllers and then just click on update driver. Then you can either choose search automatically for updated driver software or browse my computer for drivers. See here, and then just follow the on-screen instructions. Next step is to disable the exclusive mode. Again, press Windows plus R and type in. Once you have typed in that, find your default listed device in the playback. It's indicated by a green check mark. Then select properties. Once you're on your properties, you go to advanced and then click on this allow and then just go apply and okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment.